A big showdown where it comes down to the inheritance wealth tax. The Congress has now come out and said we never intended it, even though one of its very own, Sam Pitroda, said it in a stunning own self-goal, what many perceive, that has put the Congress in a spot. Congress's overseas chairperson stoked yet another controversy by suggesting that 55% of a person's wealth should be taken away by the government after his or her death. Modi breathed fire on Congress for having plans to loot people even after their death. Congress distanced itself from Sam Pitroda's remark and also brought out the fact that during the Bharatiya Janata Party, it was the BJP itself that had floated exactly the same idea. The Congress also reiterated that it has absolutely no plans of taxing the wealthy.
In America, there is an inheritance tax. So if, let's say, one has $100 million worth of wealth, and when he dies, he can only transfer probably 45% to his children. 55% is grabbed by government.
Congress Overseas Chairman Sam Pitroda's remarks put Congress in a massive spot once again, giving fresh ammunition to the BJP by almost pushing for a controversial inheritance tax on successors and legal heirs of the dead. Pitroda even praised the 55% wealth tax imposed in the US. Pitroda even backed Rahul's contentious survey and redistribution of wealth.
Let me tell you, in America, there is an inheritance tax. So if, let's say, one has $100 million worth of wealth, and when he dies, he can only transfer probably 45% to his children. 55% is grabbed by government. Now that's an interesting law. It says, you in your generation made wealth. You are leaving now. You must leave your wealth for public.
BJP immediately seized the opportunity to target the Congress, with Prime Minister accusing the Congress of trying to loot the dead.
मैं ये बात देश को साफ साफ बताना चाहता हूं कि कांग्रेस वोट बैंक पॉलिटिक्स के दलदल में इतना धंसी हुई है कि उसे बाबा साहब के संविधान की भी परवाह नहीं है। और आपको पता होगा, उन्होंने मैनिफेस्टो में तो लिखा है कि आपकी संपत्ति का सर्वे करेंगे। हमारी माताओं बहनों के पास जो स्त्री धन होता है, जो मंगलसूत्र होता है, उसका सर्वे करेंगे। और फिर उनके एक नेता ने तो भाषण में कहा, एक्सरे किया जाएगा। कांग्रेस का मंत्र है, कांग्रेस की लूट, जिंदगी के साथ भी लूट और जिंदगी के बाद भी लूट। शाही परिवार के शाहजादे के सलाहकार, इस शाही परिवार के शाहजादे के पिताजी के भी सलाहकार, उन्होंने कुछ समय पहले कहा था, और ये परिवार उन्हीं की बात मानता है। उन्होंने कहा था कि हमारा देश का जो मिडिल क्लास है, मध्यम वर्गीय लोग हैं, जो मेहनत करके कमाते हैं, उन्होंने कहा उन पर ज्यादा टैक्स लगना चाहिए। ये इन्होंने पब्लिकली कहा है। अब ये लोग उससे भी एक कदम आगे चले गए हैं। अब कांग्रेस का कहना है कि वो इनहेरिटेंस टैक्स लगाएगी, माता पिता से मिलने वाली विरासत पर भी टैक्स लगाएगी।
Home Minister Amit Shah to warn the people to be wary of Congress's sinister agenda.
इनके मन में छुपी हुई मनसा क्या है, आज बाहर आ गया है। इसका कॉग्निजेंस, इसका संज्ञान देश की जनता ने लेना चाहिए। और कांग्रेस पार्टी अगर ये नहीं करना चाहती तो अपने मैनिफेस्टो से सर्वे की बात को विड्रॉ करना चाहिए, ये घोषित करना चाहिए। हमारी प्रायोरिटी माइनॉरिटी नहीं है, हमारी प्रायोरिटी गरीब है।
खुद तो परिवारवाद की राजनीति करते हैं, लेकिन आपके परिवार के खून पसीने की कमाई को भी वसूली टैक्स लगाकर, वसूली टैक्स, ये इनहेरिटेंस टैक्स नहीं, इसको मैं वसूली टैक्स कहूंगा कांग्रेस का। जैसे कांग्रेस सत्ता में रहकर वसूली करती है, वैसे ही आपकी मौत के बाद भी वसूली टैक्स यानी कि इनहेरिटेंस टैक्स लगाने का सोच रही है। कांग्रेस का मैनिफेस्टो बताता है कि आपके गहने जांचेंगे, आपकी जमीन जांचेंगे, आपके बैंक अकाउंट जांचेंगे, आपकी प्रॉपर्टी जांचेंगे और उसको देश के उस समुदाय में बांट देंगे जो इनके लिए वोट बैंक है।
Put on back foot by Pitroda's words, Congress distanced itself, calling it his personal view.
He expresses his views on issues that he considers important very freely, and that's part of democracy. His comments are torn out of context and they are being sensationalized in order to divert attention from the Prime Minister's deliberate, mischievous and malicious, poison-ridden campaign. What Mr. Pitroda says are Mr. Pitroda's views. They are not the views of the Indian National Congress.
We are a democratic party. Everyone has a right to their personal opinions. Everyone knows I have personal opinions. But once the document is approved by the working committee, that's all the party is standing behind. So the party is saying, this is our document, read it. Nowhere does it talk about wealth redistribution. Nowhere does it talk about taking away anybody's gold and snatching the Mangal Sutras of women. This is such preposterous attacks that we are seeing from the BJP. It's a measure of their desperation.
After facing backlash, Pitroda too backtracked and claimed he merely expressed his admiration for the US inheritance system as a revenue generator. Will Pitroda's words once again embarrass Congress? Bureau Report, India Today.
In midst of all of this, the Bharatiya Janata Party has also now been caught on the back foot because under Jayant Sinha, when the BJP was in power, this was an idea that the BJP played with. And now the Congress is turning out and suggesting that you also thought about it. But having said that, with Sam Pitroda taking back his words, how much of damage that has been caused this time around, where the inheritance tax comes into question, and what is the way to damage control that? Joining me on that, Rahul Gautam, live from Delhi. Rahul, you know, Sam Pitroda saying what he did, then taking it back. Still, if you look at it, every election, you know, it comes down to the loose cannons of the Congress who make the life of the Congress even more difficult.
Absolutely, Preeti, and we both know that it is not the first time when Mr. Sam Pitroda, has made remarks in a way that had put Congress Party in a very tight spot. Earlier, also, he made similar remarks pertaining to 1984 Sikh rights. As far as these remarks is concerned, Congress Party clearly knows that these remarks has potential to damage the electoral prospects of the Grand Old Party in the upcoming phases. Therefore, they are doing all they can do. For damage control. Party has already issued a statement that whatever Mr. Sam Pitroda said, is his personal remarks. It was made in a personal capacity and nothing to do with Congress Party. At the same time, Congress is now propagating that this idea of inheritance tax is not of Congress Party, but it was actually mooted by BJP leaders, including late Mr. Arun Jaitley and Mr. Jayant Sinha. So clearly, Congress Party is trying to shift the goalpost. But as you rightly pointed out, that BJP was eagerly waiting for this loose ball from Congress Party, and no matter how much Congress Party is going to counter the narrative, it seems that BJP is going to have the last laugh in this entire narrative.